Yeah, yeah, keep going. Okay, turn it. Yeah, go. Go, 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 go. Yes! Turn the front wheels and go. That's it, keep going. Yeah, he's up.
I can't see. There we go.
Yeah, that's it.
Is he going to be able to get up this?
Maybe. Tiny trucks. So how are those new tyres going, Mick?
Sweet.
Yeah, they good?
Yeah, this is the only truck I've driven really, so I can't really sense a difference really. Like, it gets over everything just as well as it used to really.
Okay.
We'll keep scoring up.
I didn't know.
Go, mate.
I'm going up.
Just go straight.
Yeah, just go up, yeah.
Yeah, then it's gonna fall.
So I'm standing here, it can't fall. Okay, keep going.
No, you do it.
No, go backwards. That's it, now go up. Yeah, that's it, yeah, that's it. Go.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. And now over there. Yep, turn it. And he's up. Oh, yeah, yeah, backwards. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Keep going. Now swing it the other way. All right, you should be able to get it up now. And up he goes. Yay, well done, mate. All right, well done. It lands on its wheels.
That ain't gonna work.
Alrighty, so we're going to set up a track.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! What's the deduction for a flip? 10 seconds?
5.
5 seconds? Okay.
Alright, go Kurt. Those tyres go good, don't they? Ah, one flip.
Whoa, that was almost another flip.
A rock's still there, look, the one that we put there. Oh, did you? Oh, second flip.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Stop.
133.
133,
Yeah.
including the penalty.
Yeah, that's including the penalty. 2, 1, go. Turn around there. He's up.
Oh, now he's in trouble. Oh, one roll.
One roll.
Yeah, you can put it back wherever you want.
Put it back there.
Yeah, oh, no, put it back further if you want. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, get up. Do it a bit. Do it a bit. Go, go, go.
That's it.
What we usually do is you're never going to get up there, so yeah, we come up here and do a U-E here, and then you make your way up here somehow. What acorn is that? You should have gone up. Try to go up there to the hole. There we go. Go hard. Hard on it.
Oh, 2. That's it. See where the sort of like the road goes up? There's your gates over there. Hey, watch out for your foot, Mick. Oh, yeah, over there. Oh, so lucky. And then, where are they? Over there. Oh, yeah, the hard bit.
Yeah, the last rock we had was better. Whoa! Now go.
That's it. Oh, 3. Re-rock, re-rock.
Yeah.
I reckon that'll do it. No.
You're gonna get stuck under there again.
No, he's up.
What is the other one?
Over there where Matthew is. You watch this. This head thing will be facing the completely wrong way, and we'll get nothing. Yeah, that's it. Yep. That seems to be the go. And then up to the orange thing. All right, stop.
Yeah.
So what was that? 3, yeah.
So that's 257.8.
2.
3. Are you ready, Matthew?
Yeah.
2, 1, go!
Yeah, swing it side to side. That's it. Yeah. Tiny trucks, tiny trucks.
Just go it, you'll get over it.
Yeah.
Well, we could have a winner here. It all depends which way he goes. Oh, mate. He's doing good. No rollovers.
Good reverse. Oh, Kurt might still have him. It doesn't even need to. Bring it up. You only got 25 seconds left.
Alright, stop.
124.
124.
1.
Oh. 1.
That's where I started. I went too far anyway. I didn't get that way to see it.
Yeah, I know.
I've got where to go up. It'll scrape. No, it'll scrape that. It'll scrape. I can make it.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Yeah. Well done. Yep. There was no rules to say you couldn't do that. Well, he's hooning it. Oh yeah. Kicking ass.
Actually, you're going to beat Matthew if he gets up on the
Stop.
116.
Plus 5s.
121.
Oh. Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no!
1!
1.
Oh, there we go. This is fast.
Same batteries, same motor, they should be the same speed.
This is the deciding thing. Hey! Ooh, it's close. You guys got this in the bag, huh? Yeah, he's got this.
Oh no! Rolls it at the stupidest spot. Stop.
107.
Oh, 117 including my penalties. I still beat ya.
No,
Oh, the
it's
fucking
not
wheel came off.
No!
Whoa! Oh! Wait, Dad, the wheel came off.
Oh, you know what? We forgot to tighten we didn't tighten the wheels up, did we? Whoops. Just there.